How to change weather notification settings on iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to change the weather notification settings on iPhone. First, open the weather app on your iPhone. Next, tap the list icon in the bottom right corner to view your saved locations. Now, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Notifications. If you're setting this up for the first time, tap Continue. Then allow notifications and location access when prompted. From here, choose the location you'd like to manage. You can turn severe weather alerts on or off to receive notifications about storms and other dangerous weather conditions. You can also enable or disable next hour precipitation notifications to get alerts about upcoming rain or snow if the feature is available in your region. If you want to customize how weather notifications appear, open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap Notifications, scroll down, and then select Weather. Here, you can change options like Allow Notifications, Lock Screen, Notification Center, Banners, Sounds, and Badges. Once you've adjusted your preferences, the changes are saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully changed the weather notification settings on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.